Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Aina. Ngayon nga pala guys ay bumili kami ng almusal. Bumili kami ng 2 order na palabok. 35 lang ang isa. Mura lang. Guys, ang bilili nating palabok. Almusal na tayo guys. That's all for today guys. If you like our video, don't forget to buy us a cup of Coke or coffee and see you next time. Bye!